Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can participate in the Acture Dove event and Heartopia game Dreamlight Cinematic Festival event. Okay, I'm going to go to the festival event menu. And here, as you can see, guys, there is Acture Dove event. In this event, you will be able to catch more. You will be able to capture more Acture Dove birds. And if you want to participate in this event, you can check whether the event is available or not. And now it's available, guys. I'm going to drag the event. Okay, wait. Okay, and you just need to follow the guidance here. Okay, and the machine, the device, guys. The device is here. This is the Acture Dove bird watching device, and you can start the Acture Dove event here. Just click on start. Okay, and it will consume 2000 golds. No worries, I'm going to start the event. Okay, and now all set. I'm going to start now. Okay, then of course you need to prepare your scanner, and you can start to scan the Acture Dove. Okay, I got the red suit dove. Okay guys, and that's how you can participate in the Acture Dove event in Heartopia Dreamlight Cinematic Festival event update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.